Thank you so much for clicking it. I just completely spit everywhere. Hey yo, what is good guys? Thank you so much for clicking and joining me for another video and reaction. Welcome back to the E2 Reacts family. I hope you guys are all doing well. Today is Monday, so have a blessed week and a blessed just Monday overall. If you guys had a rough weekend, today is the day to start fresh. So anyways guys, been lacking a little bit, but on my last video I did, which was Lana Lana, you guys continue to suggest to watch this new song called Bullet Bullet. I'm here for it. I'm so excited to actually kind of watch it because you guys have been requesting it non-stop, so I'm pretty hyped for it to see what they are talking about. So we're just gonna go ahead and jump into it, and if you guys are excited, go ahead and smash the like button. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, because this is gonna be awesome. So just a quick guidance for me. I'm just looking at who's in here. I'm gonna try to say their names. We got Jams, Saikom, Bala, Ijam, and Deepak and Naresh. I hope I said those names right. And okay, now that I know that, let's just go ahead and jump into this. Bullet Bullet.
I kind of like the beginning. Okay. I like the vibes, you know. You can dance to it. I don't know what's with the bullets.
Some sort of string instrument. I'm not too sure which one it is now. Singer is Kabira. Hey, hey, we got some mimes going on. This is dope. That high note, I can even tell that's a high note. Buddy's like, ooh, who that? Who's that girl over there? Push, push. Yeah. The beat is kind of like, it's kind of hype. Yo, guys, hold on. What is going on right now? I'm a little confused now. There's actually bullets in here. Hopefully YouTube doesn't demonetize this and block this. This is kind of rough around the states here, but aggressive. I like it so far. I don't know what would like this. Okay, let's just keep going. I'm confused, but let's keep going. Again, hopefully YouTube doesn't do anything with this. Yeah, hey. He's like, go get that, pal. Go get that. She's very
good on this attitude. You're a killer or lover. Kill him or love him, right? I kind of like the dance. It's cool. She's only showing attitude. Only attitude. I don't know, tell me what is the bullet thing going on. Yay, she shot him. She shot him. But he's alive. I said whether she's going to kill him or she's going to love him. She killed him. Well, it was a fake bullet, unfortunately. Oh, he brought his gang out. He's telling, see how I'm dancing, you killed me but still I'm happy. How I didn't die, haha.
What the? He's got his posse, yeah. This guy's like a... I feel like he's like a... I don't know. Part of like a mob, and he's... This girl knows that, but he's still trying to get with her. Oh, that's aggressive. Tell him, Kabira. Lit, lit. Yo. Yeah.
Now they are dancing with the guns. Okay, let's see. I hope they go for a kiss. I hope they go for a kiss. Come on, kiss her. She's saying, stay away or drink the beer. No? I have no idea. Should I drink the beer and kiss him or stay away? But he went away. And she said, bullet, I mean, come after you, chase you or something, I don't know. But yeah, it was kinda good. I mean, cool.
Okay. Yo, you guys, that was a whole story I was not expecting. So, the whole thing with the weapons and the guns, I don't know what was going on there. I like the choreography that they did every single time. Like, they were on point. Just the amount of people that were there, and she was hitting that. Kabira, okay, we see you. I like her. Her voice is super soft. Like I said, overall, the concept of this, I was a little confused on. I feel like I said the guy is like part of like a leader. He's like a leader of something. With these guys, like a cartel maybe, something like that. That's just my guess, assuming stuff. But, and I feel like the girl knows that, but the guy's still trying to talk to her. She's like hesitant, but she's like, okay, I'll try it. Something like that maybe, or maybe they're in this together. I don't know. I feel like that's that. But at the end, he kind of like switches up on her, and she's got the Bible, tries to give it to him, and he's like, nah, I don't need that. You keep that. And she's like, maybe he's changing. Maybe I can date this guy. That's what I think is the concept. You guys can help me out in the comments below and let me know if I'm wrong. Maybe give me some extra details in the comments below. We can have a whole conversation down in the comments below. Let me know like the storyline and we can talk about it. Alright guys? But yeah, as far as like the actual song, very flowy. Again, I like that it's upbeat. I don't know what string instrument they're kind of using. It kind of sounds like just a guitar, but there's something else behind it. I know there is. And then when we get to the drop or the chorus here, it's actually pretty lit. It's like bullet, 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 bullet. And they're hyped too. Everyone's hyped. They're like, hey. So overall, very hype video, hype song. I enjoyed that. I wish I could understand, but maybe one day I'll learn this language for you guys. But overall, banger video. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. And I hope you really did enjoy this. I know you guys want to see a bunch of stuff. So yeah, let me know in the comments below and I will get to it. Thank you so much for watching this, guys. If you haven't seen my other videos, those will be linked down in the description below for you guys. Go check them out. I very much appreciate it. And I will see you guys in the next one. Alright guys, see ya.